How to download and install Binance app on Android devices. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to download and install Binance app on Android devices. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Play Store on your Android device. Now tap on the search icon at bottom right and tap the search bar at top of the screen. Now type in Binance and tap the search icon on your keyboard at bottom right corner of your screen. You will reach on the results section where you will get Binance Buy Crypto and Bitcoin application. So you need to look for the official Binance app. Tap install button, and as per your internet connection and storage you have available on your device, it will take a few time to download and install on your device. Once it is installed and downloaded on your Android, it will be appeared on your home screen where you can easily open the app and use Binance app. And with that, you are good to go. You will successfully download and install Binance application on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.